Hey word workers, welcome to another lesson. Today we're exploring 5 must-know words you'll often hear in everyday life. We'll explore each word in context with real-life examples to help you remember and use them with confidence. Keep watching this video to enhance your vocabulary and take your English to the next level. Let's start with decided. Decided means to have made a choice or come to a conclusion. When you make a decision, you are certain about what you want. For example, he decided to learn a new language. Here's another one. She decided to travel to Canada for her vacation. Next up is contain. Contain means to hold something inside. For example, their bottles contain water. We can also say, these fruits contain natural sugars. Now, let's talk about course. Course can mean a few things. It can be a path or direction, like we followed the course of the river. It can also refer to a series of lessons, such as they are taking an art course. Another example is when you say, of course, meaning certainly or naturally. Of course, we can try this one. Now, let's move on to surface. Surface means the outermost layer of something. For example, the surface of the table is smooth. We can also say, the surface of the water was calm. For the next word, we can say produce or produce. Produce can mean to make or create something. For example, farmers produce vegetables and fruits. We can also say factories produce cars. Now, produce means fresh fruits and vegetables. So you might hear someone say they bought fresh produce at the market. Let's use each word in sentences. Decided. The lady decided what they would order for dinner. They have decided on the date for their wedding. Contain. These jars contain some cookies. The juice did not contain any added sugar. Course. The river changed its course after the storm. They are enjoying their cooking course. Surface. We cleaned the surface of the table. The ice on the lake's surface is very thick. Produce. Those factories produce auto parts. Produce. We buy organic produce at the farmer's market. Now, let's review the words we used today. Decided. Made a choice or conclusion. Contain. To hold something inside. Course. A path or series of lessons. Surface. The outer layer of something. Produce. To make or create. Produce. Fresh fruits and vegetables. And that's it for today, word workers. Practice using these words when speaking and writing to help you remember them. Show some love. Give the video a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to WordWork, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you are the first to know when a new lesson is posted. Thanks for watching. Keep learning word by word. See you next time.